Hi, I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin, founder of the digital marketing agency Inventicity. Are you struggling to keep up with the demands of managing your social media accounts? Creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience can be time-consuming and overwhelming. That's where Inventicity comes in. We specialize in creating conversion-optimized content for your social media accounts. From crafting captivating headlines to visually appealing graphics, we ensure that your content stands out and drives engagement. And we don't just create the content, we also post it at the optimal time when your target audience is most active, and we respond to comments to ensure that you are building a strong relationship with your followers. Don't let social media management stress you out. Let us help you create a strong online presence and grow your business. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you take your social media game to the next level.